Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a new bot using BotFather on Telegram. It's a simple process, and I'll guide step by step. Let's get started. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. Start the bot by clicking Start. Interface having multiple options will be shown. Use the /newbot command to create a new bot. When prompted, enter a name for your bot. Next, choose a username for your bot. It must end with bot. If the username is already taken, try modifying it by adding numbers, underscores, or additional words. Once the bot is successfully created, BotFather will provide you with an API token and a link to your bot. Be sure to save this information. You can further customize your bot using various BotFather commands, such as changing its description, profile picture, name, etc. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video and are interested in purchasing, simply click the link in the video description to get in touch with us.